Beep beep. Super. She also got it for 3K. Good morning, guys. So this morning I'm going to be making my daughter's hair for the first time. I've already done some. See, I've done some, so I want to finish it off. This small girl, like, you see plenty hair. She has hair more than her sister Mitchell's. I don't know if this hair is giving her heat. Most times she drags the hair, so I just want to make it so that at least it will be better for her. So that is what we'll be doing this morning. So let me take you guys along as we make baby Mira's hair. My baby is looking so pretty with her hair nicely made. Looking pretty with her hair nicely made. For the first time. The hair don't take shape for your face. Can your kids ass? Madam, drop your shirt now. Dog will catch your bum. So you were dragging me to go outside just now. You need to saw dog. You entered inside the house by yourself. Hello, Lily. How are you? Michelle is scared of you. Michelle just ran inside the house because she saw you. Lily is your friend. See, she's shaking her tail. Lily. She's your friend. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of Lily. Since we started living here, Michelle has made progress drastically in associating because people are more here. Okay, she see lots of people in the house now, and children are in the compound that when she comes out, she can just easily see them and she can play with them. And even here, my sister-in-law, her baby stays here, so she plays with her a lot and she copies things from her a lot. So now Michelle can call me mommy, like she always say that, but before we came here she was trying to say it, but she hasn't started saying it. So she's learning things a lot now, even without starting school yet. So yeah, this is one of the benefits. In short, these are some of the benefits I'm getting from here, because where we were before, we are the only ones staying in the compound, and yeah, the neighbors are not close. So she's here. She's here. So I'm talking about you. So yeah, so we are the only ones staying in the compound. Hey God, I don't find trouble. This man carry you. Okay, she does not wash her tablet or phone, so she interacts more with people in the house. She interacts more with things around the house, and she does not watch TV a lot. No lights for yourself, no 247 lights here, so she cannot watch TV a lot. These things really help kids. Don't let your kids to just be glued to the TV. See, that thing, they affect their brain. So just allow them to socialize, leave them to play, because if they're not playing, see, they affect their brain. See, before you know, the kids to talk will be an issue because they are just glued on the TV and glued on the tab, glued on the screen. So I'm saying that she has really made improvements due to that aspect. So yeah, this is some of the things we are benefiting in this new place. But anyhow, we are still here for some time till we get ourselves fixed. Okay, so let me just show you guys the things she bought that Michelle will be using for school. Yes, baby. What is it? You want to eat? You want to eat? You want to eat? Yes. So these are the items. These, not too much, but let me open them one after the other to show you guys. I'll be dropping them here. This one, she bought it for 15k. Let me open it. 15,000 Nigerian currency. Nigerian money, 15,000 for this one. This is how it's looking. So this is it. I don't skip around. So they tucked it in here like this, and the hand is like this. So yeah, I'm sure it's going to be this is the first time I'm opening this thing. I don't even know how it is. It's like maybe zip. Okay, we're not going to zip everywhere, so I'm learning with you guys. First time of a child going to school. After this video I'm just going to learn how to do this. It's like this hand though is going to be at the back, but yeah, it's fine. This is for 15k. Then she bought school bag. Let me put this aside. So this is the school bag. Let's open it together. I've not really opened this thing, so it's the first time. So this is a school bag. The school bag she got, and this is how it's looking. I don't know the amount she got this one. I'm going to ask her later and then attach it to the screen for you guys to see, so that when you are buying school bag in the market for your kids, you know the range to look at. So this is inside. This is how it's looking inside, and it has mini pockets by this side like this, and by the side just to put water bottle or something, I don't know. So yeah, this is how this one is looking. This is the school shoe in this box. So the school shoe came with this box. I'm just going to open it now, and yeah, voila. These are the school shoe is looking. And this school shoe, she got it for how much that time? It's not 13k, 13,000. If I'm not sure about the prices, I'm calling now. I'm going to attach them, okay? So this is how the school shoe is looking. This is it. So light. Maybe those kind of heavy shoe they feel you stay stone person here, the person here the boss. This is that type of shoe. This one is so light. You cannot use this one to gym if you want to learn how to gym. So yeah, Michelle size. Our leg is big every day. So this one is her size. So the next thing she got are the things here in this nylon bag. She also bought some footwear Michelle can be wearing at home, just to go out and wear inside the house. So this shoe, this one is the white one, they wear for, I guess it's Friday, they wear this shoe, this and jean trouser. So this one is for that day, but this one I'm sure this one is big for her, but you know now we are going to manage. What you do was that we are small. Oh, pad for our front of our leg. That was what she did now. So I'm going to put pad at the front. She didn't get the exact size for her. I'm sure she was just guessing the size, but yeah, it's still fine. She bought this cross and I like this one. Looking so fine and so homely. She can wear this in the house. Okay, so this is how this one is looking, and yeah, I love it. This one, she said she got them for like 3,000 thereabout. For you don't know how much will cost for this thing for us. We should be looking around 6,000 for something like this. Slippers, she also got it for 3k, 3,000 naira. Imagine 3,000 for this one like this in Onitsha. But yeah, mama, 6,000. If you know your 6,000 correct or 6,500, drop it and go. But yeah, so this is currently 7 o'clock and we are outside just strolling, chilling. And yeah, everywhere is dark. It's just street light that is here. So yeah, we are just strolling, feeling the environment. We've been in the house since morning, and yeah, we decided to stroll. And Michelle is here. Car, pim pim, pim pim. Car. Michelle is happy. Compared to our former place, we don't stroll out like this in the evening. Just as if we are in the prison. But we are tired of living that type of life. So we decided to leave the environment, and yeah. So that's why we found ourselves here. Look at the car now. You want to go and meet the car again? Car. You want to go and meet the car? Why? You are scared of the car. You want to go enter the car? Car is coming. Car is coming. Car.